Igongona rĩa kĩririkano kĩa mũtongoria Jaramogi Oginga Odinga kaunti-inĩ ya Kisumu rĩgĩtongorio nĩ mũriũ Raila Odinga rĩkinyĩtio nĩ atongoria mĩena ĩtiganĩte na andũ a nyũmba na arata.
The man we are celebrating today, Jaramogi Oginga Odinga, was a very, very committed family man. He was a committed family man, and he was also committed to this country.
Jaramogi, as a father-in-law, was a very, very kind person to all of us daughters-in-law. He used to talk to us nicely. During Christmas, he used to give us gifts. I remember one time he gave me perfume. I don't know what he gave Anna. By that time, Tabu was not there. He stood by us when things were difficult and when things were good.
Jaramogi akathĩrĩirie ta mũtongoria njamba wanyitire itemi rĩa bũrũri kwĩgwatĩra wĩyathi kuma wathani-inĩ wa mũkoroni. Jaramogi arĩ mũrutani na mwonjoria, ĩndĩ ngumo yake ya ũtongoria kĩbaro-inĩ kĩa ũteti nĩyo yamũhotanĩire, ũndũ ũrĩa atũraga aririkanagwo naguo. Atongoria na andũ a bamĩrĩ maugĩte kũrũmĩrĩra makinya make ũtongoria-inĩ nĩ ũmwe wa maũndũ marĩa matũmĩte makorwo na ũthii wa na mbere ũteti-inĩ ona maũndũ mangĩ wonjoria-inĩ.
Some of us who are too young to have interacted with Jaramogi closely have had the rare opportunity and chance to be mentored by Baba Raila Odinga. And since we have been mentored properly by Baba, by extension, we have been mentored by Jaramogi.
It has been the honor of my life to know this family, to become friends with this family, to walk the political journey with this family, to learn from people who learned directly from Jaramogi himself.
Andũ a bamĩrĩ maugĩte Jaramogi arĩ na wendo mũnene kũrĩ bamĩrĩ yake, amu nĩ amacokanagĩrĩria na kũmabe mataro matongoria.
When my brother Guru stood here, he said that he talked a lot about his father. But I want to also say one, that if any of you want to see Jaramogi alive, look at me, from my hair to my toe. My Jaramogi muna no kani.
When I met Jaramogi and I became one of the daughters-in-law, he loved me dearly. And I used to say, so this is how those people with fathers feel. I found a father, a real father in Jaramogi.
Matunda ma wĩbeani wa Jaramogi macokire kuoneka rĩrĩa bũrũri wegwatĩire wĩyathi, na hĩndĩ ĩyo president wa mbere Jomo Kenyatta akĩmũtua mũnini wa president. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Masi wa Dia wa